to Kids Up Center. My name is Tabitha and we're going to be doing a science experiment of ultrasonic humidifier. So let us get started. We have the parts. We have the ultrasonic sprayer. We have the waterproof ring. We have the sponge strip, the sleeve, and we also have a red jumper and a green jumper, wire 3. Then we have a side switch 15 and its own battery box, and you need a water bottle filled with water 80% and 3 batteries. So let us start assembling. You take the ultrasonic sprayer and install the waterproof ring. We've installed the waterproof ring. After that, you take the sponge strip, put it inside, and then you close the upper and lower part with the sleeve. Done. After that, take your water bottle and insert the sprayer assembled into the bottle, just like that. After that, now we will be assembling. Now you take your green and red jumper, take the red jumper, insert it with the wire 3. You take a green jumper, and then you insert it with the off and on switch. Take your water bottle and plug it in, just like this. After that, you put in the batteries and now it's assembled and we're ready to turn it on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want an experiment like this, just go link in the description. Buy one, assemble, and see. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification, and comment down below what other things we should experiment and other things we should do and review. Bye bye.